Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode with Google Pixel Buds. And to do this we'll need to open a case with our earbuds and wait a few seconds till you get a notification on your Android smartphone that you can connect them. If not, you might need to factory reset this earbuds, but I'm gonna show you this in the end of the video. So that's a pairing mode for smartphone. When it comes to any other device, you will need to factory reset your earbuds and it will enter pairing mode on them, and then they should show in a Bluetooth. So what we're gonna do now is try it on a smartphone with Android, and I'm gonna close the case, open it again, then click on a button at the back and hold it for around 30 seconds. You can also look right here and there's a LED lamp. It will flash in a red when it's ready. So now factory reset is done. Let's enable Bluetooth on a smartphone. And here we can connect them, so that's a pairing mode on Android. Let's close Bluetooth here and move to our iPhone. Open Bluetooth settings. And right here there's a Pixel Buds A series which we can connect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.